Time to tighten the keel bolts, and I'll show you how we do it. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dream Weaver. So here are the tools we'll use today. A 5-to-1 torque multiplier, a torque wrench, and then of course the socket and extension that fits the nuts on the keel. The 5-to-1 torque multiplier has a 5-to-1 ratio, which means for every 5 times you turn the input, it turns the output 1 time.
You turning it? Okay.
In order to put 110 foot-pounds torque on the bolts, you have to put 22 foot-pounds on the torque wrench input, and the 5-to-1 ratio will put 110 on the torque on the nut itself.
All right, you ready? All right, ready? Yep. Okay, I gotta put the pump back. You gotta tighten it up, don't you?
I've got more to tighten. Which other one?
This one back here.
Oh, okay, yeah. All right, hold this right here. Sorry.
There it goes.
Got a link. So for John's birthday, I'm fixing him a salad and bacon wrapped cheeseburgers. I'll show them to you in just a few minutes. So here we are on a Dream Weaver grill. Look at this. Bacon cheeseburger for John's birthday. Ooh, that looks good. It is gonna be good. The cheeseburgers are finished.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
Let's take a look at the 5 must-have gadgets for 2026.